Today we're going to be putting the breather lights on this 2025 589 Peterbilt.
Let's go.
Woo! As we take this bracket out the way, you got to take this breather off. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, and then on the passenger side it's 7 because you got to get that out your way.
Up and out. There's a hook at the top of this thing.
Yep.
Oh yeah, pivot.
So all it is a little 10mm nut and a screwdriver.
That's what she said.
So after you get your 3 screws in there, double-sided tape. All right, so this is your light, and this is the part that sucks. Is you come up 5/8 of an inch, put a mark, line this up, and then you got to mark your holes, and then you got to drill into it. Voila. And my favorite part is you got to drill a hole right here for your wires. God. This light comes with a backing plate. It goes straight behind that panel. Another little tech tip that we found out the hard way is when you're putting these on, pull and hold one while you screw the other one in. That way you ensure that backing plate is all the way there. Perfect. You didn't know we're professionals over here at the 44 company. So that's what it looks like. Take your wires through the hole. And the other one, you'll have to feed the wire in while you're putting the can on. Remember to put your wires in. Nice gloves, by the way.
Thanks. Got it from a friend I know.
When you do the 5/8 mark right here, it lines it up perfectly with the bottom, just like this one. But, so you put that one screw in up top, and you put that one in the corner right there. All right, so I run them all up with the Milwaukee and a swivel. I snug them all up with my Osa Tools 3/8 ratchet. So we got all that back together. The wire for the breather lights we got from right here somewhere. All right, guys, so that's how you put on the breather lights on a 2025 589. Peace.
Love y'all.